In this video, I'm going to show you how to make landing page in Shopify. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Shopify account and being able to access the dashboard, you want to go to the top bar and search for App Store. This will suggest the Shopify App Store. And what you want to do is you want to search for Instant Section and Page Builder. This will take you up into this one, and then you want to click on Install. Now, you will be taken here into, and it will ask you what your project name is about. Let's just say shoe store, or we could do landing page. Now let's create the project and make sure that you connect to Shopify by clicking on this one. Now, what you want to do is either build from scratch or choose a template, but if you go to the left-hand side, you will see landing pages, then click on that one. Now, you will see a lot of options about the templates on landing pages. Let's say I want to make this one as my landing page. You just want to click on the plus sign. And what you can do actually is edit it a bit. You could say this is a headset instead. And you could add a few things. Actually, Instant is very, very easy to use. And as you can see, you can also add like a button here for buy now. And we could edit a lot of things here until we're satisfied. Let's say this is a design that I want. You want to go to the right-hand side on the top bar and click on Publish. Then connect to Shopify. And that's about it. That's how to make landing page in Shopify. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.